He's already climbing on trying to get my tombstone with this since it doesn't make noise anymore. Not gonna happen until it's completely broken. And they're trying to throw it away anyways because the head is broken. Even. What happened with the old demonic one? He said they wouldn't go away, but they did. I wanted to too. I wanted to look at the difference between them. Well,
did you say that floating skeleton?
Floating skeleton?
That one that had that weird
soft?
Yeah, soft.
Yeah, I still have that one.
Okay, good. I like that.
Except it doesn't have yellow on it anymore. Actually, the color wore off. It's all tan, ugly tan. Oh, the dead one's going in the bridge battle. He can't even work in there. Oh, isn't that hard to go over a slide? God. I should have grabbed an orange one. Those ones still had quite a bit of power. Oh, God.
What is it talking about? Are you the same thing or something?
I don't know. I'm gonna have to turn the pretty one off. It's dead. Too bad.
Oh, man, you have a stereo.
Yeah? Thank you, Grandpa's old one. Gave it to me.
No, because they would put on their shoulder and then they would just walk around.
Those?
I think
They can't do those.
oh, without the wire.
They're too heavy. Not anymore. They use their iPhones now.
It's like a little stereo.
We need some bridge battler, guys. Come on, let's get some battling going.